This video walks you through how to log in to TurboTax account. Start by opening your web browser and going to the TurboTax sign-in page. You can type the TurboTax website address directly into the address bar, or use a search engine and open the official sign-in page from the results. Once the page loads, you should see the sign-in form for your Intuit account, which is the account used to access TurboTax. In the first sign-in field, enter the account detail you use with Intuit. This can be your phone number, your email address, or your user ID. Use whichever one is linked to the account you want to open. After entering that information, click the Sign In button to move to the next screen. TurboTax may then ask you to verify your identity before you can continue. On that screen, look for the available verification options and select the one you prefer. If you want to sign in by typing your password, click Enter Password. This takes you to the password entry screen instead of using another sign-in method. Make sure you select the option that matches how you want to access the account before moving forward. Next, enter your Intuit account password in the password field. Check that the password is entered correctly, especially if your browser does not show the characters as you type. Once your password is in place, click Continue. The site may take a moment to process your sign-in details and load the next step. If TurboTax asks for additional verification, complete that prompt before proceeding. This usually means entering a code sent to your email address or phone. Open the message on the device or account where you received it. Find the verification code and type it into the field provided on the sign-in page. Then continue so TurboTax can confirm that it is really you accessing the account. After the sign-in process is complete, you may be asked to choose between different TurboTax workspaces. Select Personal Taxes if you are working on your individual tax return, or choose your business tax filing profile if that is the account area you need. Make sure you pick the correct profile so you enter the right workspace for your filing activity. Once that selection is made, TurboTax will open the matching dashboard or tax workspace associated with your account. From there, you can continue with the return or account area that belongs to that profile. If the page takes a few seconds to load, just wait for the workspace to appear before taking any further action. Your TurboTax account is now signed in and open in the correct tax workspace.